Good morning, children. Myself, Rajesh Dikruz. I welcome you to the e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Betia. Okay, children. So we have completed Geography Standard 7, lesson Volcanoes and Earthquakes. Now we will have exercise. So please get ready to do the exercise. Exercise A. Answer the question by choosing the most appropriate alternative from those given below. First, in a fissure eruptions of a volcano, the lava comes out dash. Option A, from the base of the volcano. B, from the sides of the volcano. C, from a crack or a fissure in the volcano. D, from all around the volcanoes. Answer option C, from a crack or fissure in the volcano. Second questions. Most of the active volcanoes are found in the dash. Option A, mid-Atlantic belt. B, mid-oceanic belt. C, mid-continental belt. D, circum-Pacific belt. Answer option B, mid-oceanic belt. Question 3. Earthquake waves are also called dash. Option A, seismic waves. B, cosmic waves. C, electromagnetic waves. D, light waves. Answer option A, seismic waves. Question 4. Destructive earthquakes have a magnitude of dash on the Richter scale. Option A, less than 4. Option B, 2. Option C, over 8. Option D, none of the above. Answer option D, none of the above. Question 5. The scale for measuring the magnitude of an earthquake dash. Option A, Richter scale. B, seismograph. C, seismologist. D, Android barometer. Option A, Richter scale. Children, also answer is written under each of the choose the correct options. Exercise B. Write T for true and A for false. First, dormant volcanoes do not erupt at all. False. Second, tsunami is caused by earthquake. True. Third, Pacific Ring of Fire consists only of extinct volcanoes. False. 4. Deccan Plateau was formed due to continuous earthquakes. False. 5. Lagoons are formed by the erosional work of a river. True. Okay, now exercise C. Match the following. First, mid-continental. Option D, Indonesia. Second, Mount Kilimanjaro. Option C, extinct volcano in Tanzania. 3. Crater. Option E, funnel-like vent of a volcano. 4. Kimberley. Option A, lava plateau in South Africa. 5. Lava. Option B, molten rock forming on earth. Children, also answer is written under the match the following. Exercise D. Answer the questions in about 50 to 70 words. First, how are focus and epicenter of an earthquake different? Answer. The place where the earthquake originates is known as the focus, and the point directly above the focus on the Earth's surface is called the epicenter of the earthquakes. Second, discuss the causes of the earthquake. Answer. Earthquakes are caused when one tectonic plates sliding over or past another plates along the line of a fault. Question 3. Explain the work of any two components in the process of gradation with the examples. Answer. The work of two components are erosions and weathering, by which the raised parts of the earth's surface are lowered. It is the way of leveling down the raised portions of the surface. Question 4. Name the different materials that are given out during volcanic eruptions. Answer. The different materials that are given out during volcanic eruptions are hot molten rock, cinder, along with volcanic ash, rock bombs, steam and gas. Question 5. Name some of the features found by the work of running water on land. Answer. The work of running water on land is mainly depositions, building up its bed and forming and extensive floodplains. Landforms like braided channels, floodplains, levees, meanders, oxbow lakes, deltas, etc. can be seen at this surface. So children, these are the question answers of Geography Standard 7 Chapter 3. Please write the question answers in your HW copy and submit the copy in the school for the corrections, and take the copy back just after a week from the day you have submitted the copy. Children, if you like my videos, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you. Bye bye.